In this video, I'm going to break down how to use an adjustable wrench like a pro so you can handle plumbing repairs, furniture assembly, and tightening fixtures without any headaches. Adjustable wrenches are super handy because they fit all sorts of nuts and bolts, which means you don't have to carry around a whole toolbox of fixed size wrenches. First off, make sure you adjust the wrench jaw tight enough so it grips the bolt or nut snugly. No slipping allowed, or you'll mess up the hardware or hurt your hand. When you're turning, always pull the wrench towards you instead of pushing it away. It gives you way more control and reduces the risk of injury if it slips. Also, check which side of the wrench jaw is serrated. Those teeth help grip better but can damage softer metals, so use the smooth side on delicate stuff. If you're working on plumbing, remember to turn slowly and steadily to avoid stripping the fittings. For furniture assembly, double-check that the wrench fits perfectly before cranking down screws or bolts to avoid rounding them off. And hey, clean your wrench after use to keep it rust-free and ready for your next project. One of the biggest mistakes people make with adjustable wrenches is using them on bolts that are too small or too large for the tool's capacity, which just leads to stripped bolts and wasted effort. Another common slip-up is not tightening the wrench jaw enough, causing it to slip and damage the bolt head or even hurt your hand if it snaps free. Lastly, folks often try to use excessive force when the wrench isn't properly positioned. This can bend the wrench or damage the piece you're working on. It's always better to reposition and find a better angle than muscle through it. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid platform where homeowners can easily find trustworthy local contractors ready to tackle any home job, big or small. At the same time, it helps contractors connect with new clients and grow their business without the usual hassle of hunting for leads.